taking a look at the set scoring, the first 3 sets, and LaSalle taking what was a very competitive and crucial third set for them as we take a look at the highlights here.
Well, in this third set, in the beginning, it looked like FEU got the perfect combination. But, LaSalle was just sticking through that set. And in the end, LaSalle was able to find really good plays to give them the point and got them that set. Especially on that last point, Coach Sammy Kailar throwing up a beautiful play. And, the players just follow their coach, followed instructions, and totally got the point and got that set.
And old problems for FEU resurfacing here.
Yes. Towards the end of that set, yun yung niremind ni Coach George Pascua. Sabi niya, bumabalik tayo dun sa first set problem natin. And that's why the result was the same. Look at this. 10 more attack points for FEU, and yet they lost that set. Look at the unforced errors once again. 11 unforced errors for FEU, while LaSalle minimizing it to only 4. And the blocking again of DLSU. Once the blocking of DLSU works, ito, nagkakaproblema talaga ang FEU. And in this third set, once again, 4 blocks for FEU. In the first set, it was 5-0 for FEU.
So LaSalle negating their spike points with those 11 unforced errors. They had 10 errors in the first set.
So can you just imagine, with 11 unforced errors, all LaSalle had to do is work on the 14 more
exactly.
points.
So let's see if FEU can bounce back here. They do have the composure and the experience to do just that, but this LaSalle is an inspired bunch right now.
And Cerveza is just really handling the pressure at the net by his lonesome most of the time and has been successful. That's why na-pump up ng todo ang LaSalle, especially in the ending of that third set.
This is a better season for Philip Cerveza as compared to last year.
FEU trying to ask for a check ball, no go.
And LaSalle off to a 2-0 start here. And Arvin Avila cannot believe it. FEU has only lost twice here in season 74 against Adamson and UST in the first round. So FEU on a 7-game win streak going into this Final Four matchup against LaSalle. LaSalle, on the other hand, has not beaten FEU since season 71.
Oh, wow.
FEU has defeated LaSalle in 5 of their last meetings here in the UAAP tournament.
And Cerveza, even with a missed hit, had enough power to send it across and to take the point.
An inspired effort from Philip Cerveza, and he's infecting his teammates with his energy.
That's right.
Tough set there by Petrus.
Avila once again, but this time
Calderon
on that single block.
Now an early substitution. Normally we would see Roland Tongkin come in the latter portion of the first 3 sets, but this time Coach George Pascua not holding anything back, bringing Tongkin in right away. Tongkin was actually more utilized last year, was part of the first 6.
Now with the push, FEU getting that point. Tongkin now on the line. You're correct, Anton. Last year he was part of the starters for FEU.
And it was a very intimidating combination of Tongkin and Labrador, 2 very tall middle hitters.
Imagine Labrador has another playing year.
Team captain.
Imagine him next year. Well, that last service error coming from Tonkin gave DLSU a 3-point lead now. At the beginning of this fourth set, a set FEU has to win and a point given to FEU.
But if you're an FEU fan, Mosey, you would like to see the Tamaraws take the championship this year away from UST.
That's right. Yung sabi natin in the start of this coverage, palagi nilang second place for quite some time. And you know that they are, in fact, the winningest volleyball team in the UAAP. So, something na dapat yun, di ba, one level every year. But, you know, UST also does that.
Yeah.
So,
but
this year, mukhang they have a strong lineup and as a manpower.
And on paper, you can argue that FEU has the stronger lineup than UST.
That's right. In fact, UST has yung again, parang on that rebuilding stage, the very young squad once again.
Yeah, maraming nawala from UST na key players like Harvey Ilano, James Pecanya, who was an MVP, JP Torres also no longer with UST. So
yun yung bulk ng points ng UST from several years, and they're all gone.
So, I think it would be a disappointment for FEU if they do not win the championship this year.
But they have first to get over this pesky and really challenging that goal of theirs.
Challenging
goal of
is
FEU.
the word. LaSalle is really challenging FEU today.
Aaron Calderon serving for the Green Archers.
Now, it's Aljun Bartolome for DLSU.
Labrador changing it up there in the air.
Calderon, sorry.
Santos now to a running Cerveza who goes down the line. This is still playable.
And they save it.
Santos!
Had the right thing in mind, but just a bit wide on that push.
The net foiled this attempt.
Yes. That's right. Nag-add ng distance yung pagkakatama sa net.
Change the downward angle.
But they had the right thing in mind because Cerveza was again going for that running hit. Nakabantay yung FEU.
Cerveza once again with a running hit.
Another chance.
Cerveza!
This time with an E-quick. And he gets it.
And LaSalle on top by 3 as we head into this short break.